All right, so you're going to go to one of the assignments. So like I said, I like to do kind of weird things. So in honor of Halloween, your assignments are about clowns. So if you have a phobia of a clown, I'm really sorry. But I think it's kind of interesting because it's weird because growing up, when I grew up, clowns weren't a scary thing. Clowns weren't, they were a funny thing. Well, now they've turned into this scary, freaky thing. And because of like, is it that has that crazy clown? I've never seen it. I don't go to scary movies, but so is that it? Thank you, Javier. So anyways, it's because of that they've turned this, people are scared of them. So what you're going to do is, and I'm sorry if you lose sleep over any of this, I'm sorry. But the first thing you're going to go to is you're going to read it's called The Psychology Behind Why Clowns, I got to look on here. The Psychology Behind Why Clowns Creep Us Out. Okay, so you're going to click on this link below. It's called Actively Learn. It's this company out of Seattle, actually. And so you're going to click on there, click on the link below. All right. And like I said, it's synced with us. So it's going to show my version. I hope it has me log in. Shoot, and it didn't. But what it's going to do is, it's because I already logged in once, so it keeps having me logged in. So what you're going to do is it's going to ask you for to sign in with Google. So it's going to have the Google thing and it says sign in. So click on that and you might have to put in your password and stuff like that. But when I just clicked on sign in with Google, it just took me right in. If you have a problem, like I said, and ask for a password, email me and I'll give you the password. So you're going to read this article. So some of these questions are just yes, no. Some are multiple choice. Some are short answer. And all you do is you click in and you type in everything in here. And then what is kind of nice is it saves it all into the website. And then I go in later and check. So there's really nothing for you to turn in. But if you want me to know you did it, you could click in, just in Google Classroom, you can just say, click on the thing, where it says turn it in or whatever. You can just click in and then I'll know you did it that way. Okay. So I just wanted you to know, just do that. So what you're going to do, the first question is, as you read, ask yourself, why do people find clowns? Why do people find, as you read, ask yourself, why do people find clowns creepy? Okay. Why? So it asks you a question. Do you find them creepy? And you'll just do yes, no, or you're not sure. Like you don't care, or you don't care either way. That's what unsure is. So, and then it kind of polls the students in the class to see what people think. And then you have this document to read, The Psychology Behind Why Clowns Creep Us Out. So then it kind of reads this thing. And as you read through the document, it has little helpful hints on here. So you answer the questions on here. So question 1, do you find them? I don't know why it's not showing. Oh, because I'm the teacher. So it shows me something a little bit different. So then you go to the next question and it asks the next question. And you'll just kind of go through, and the next question, I just want to make sure it doesn't show the answer. So then it goes to another question about what does the author mean when he writes, no wonder so many people hate Ronald McDonald? So if you don't know who Ronald McDonald is, I hope you guys do. So it just kind of talks about different things and then it asks questions. And then you're going to go through the whole document. And what you're going to do is you're going to read through the article and answer questions as you go. Do you guys understand that? And then there's 2 at the end. I'm going to scroll through here really fast. I don't know which will make me do it. As you go through the very end, it'll have you do a couple short answers. Oh, it might have other, like, according to the article, which one? So there's multiple choice, there's like yes, no, and then there's like short answer that you're going to answer, and then it'll just say you're done with the test, or you're done with the assignment. Most of this reading is not too bad. If you're finding it's a little difficult to understand, I'm going to put a video in there that kind of talks about the, that I'll go over and I'll read the assignment to you. So if people need help with the reading. Is there any questions on that? So that's the first one. And I also wanted to show you one of them. Let me go to the next questions. Next. Towards the end, they ask you questions like, Towards the end, so you read through the article, then it asks you, why do people find clowns creepy? Support your answer with examples from the text. So like for this question, notice it says examples. So you're gonna need more than one, and use example and use text evidence to answer that. And then, are there benefits to intentionally scaring ourselves? Are there benefits to purposely scaring ourselves? Please explain your answer in 2 or more sentences, and you're just gonna click in the box and type. Does everybody understand that one? Okay, so now I'm gonna back out of this one. And then we're going to go to the one after it. And this is another keeping on the clown theme. I'm sorry. Sorry for those of you that really hate them. So this is the science behind our fear of clowns. And then you're going to do the same thing. You're going to sign in to Actively Learn. But this one, it's a short video you're going to watch. And as you watch the video, see the numbers, the question mark, question mark, question mark. It's going to stop, and then you're going to answer a question at that time. So what creates de-individuation pertaining to clowns? You're like, what? I don't even know what that is. Well, they'll talk about that, and then you're going to answer that. Okay? So then you'll go to the next question. So as it reads, it'll pause, ask you a question about what they just said. And if you're not sure, I would just go back and go back a little bit, rewind it a little bit, and go back and watch it again. Do you guys understand that? It's just 3 questions on this. So these assignments aren't that bad. Except for those of you that hate clowns and are scared of them, I'm sorry about that. So that's both the assignments, all right? So I'm going to stop presenting right now, or stop recording.